Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today, our market continuously it was a bloodbath. From morning itself, continuously they started pushing Nifty towards the downside. If you remember yesterday analysis, I had discussed that 24,900 is the support, 25,000 is the resistance. Market opened near the resistance level. Continuously they started pushing the market towards the downside, and in Bank Nifty also there was continuous selling. One of the main reason for this can be FII selling and DIA not buying, and majority of the banking stocks continuously fell today, like Axis Bank contributing 1.8% fall, HDFC fell by 1.5%, ICICI close to 1%, Kotak Bank 0.6%, and Punjab National Bank around 2.4%, right? So there was continuous fall and selling pressure in our market. Even though the market movement seems to be very smooth, it was very difficult for us to plan our trades during the live market because Nifty had come to the support. We don't know if it's going to cover some shorts and later it will fall. Looking at this continuous movement in Bank Nifty, where do we place our stop loss? So taking a proper entry in the market was a bit challenging itself. Now one by one, we will discuss what are the reasons for market fall. You might think repeatedly we are saying this, but this is what is happening in the market. First problem, China economic stimulus. China's recent economic measures has influenced the global market, which we cannot disregard. So it is affecting overall investors' confidence in Indian market. Second, FII significantly selling. Today I'm waiting for FII data. I think FIIs would have sold very well in today's market. Next, high valuation. Many times we have discussed our market is overvalued. You can go and check the expected PE. The market had already reached that level, so market can be overvalued. Because of that, we could see some correction. Next, there is a currency fluctuation also, right? Indian rupee is performing against the US dollars has also been a major factor for market movement. Apart from all of this, the main concern has been inflation. After we got the first rate cut of 0.5%, many people were expecting in the month of November we'll start getting rate cuts. I think earlier itself, before the first rate cut start itself, I had told you that during the month of November we will have US election. That time Fed cutting the interest rate is very low. The entire market as of now it is looking overvalued. If they start cutting the interest rate, then inflation will not come under control. To a certain extent, many people are expecting no rate cut in the month of November. Maybe in the month of December we can expect. So all of these factors have affected the market sentiment. Now some of you asked me to include results as well because Q2 results is out. So I'll discuss about 4-5 stocks here. Infosys, it reported 4.7% increase in the net profits, right? Around 6,500 crores. So revenue is up by 5%. The growth was driven by large deals win and stable margins. Margins were stable. Some deals they have won. More deal if they win. New businesses, more revenue. That is one. And Bajaj Auto, it has shown around 20%, 22% increase in the revenue, around 13,000 crore. Net profit has grown up by 7%. But still, market was expecting a bit more. That is why the stock fell. Next, Geo Services, already results are out and it had reported 23% year-on-year increase. I've told one of the main reason for this is they've increased the tariff plan. Because of that, revenue per user would have increased. That is one of the main reason. Apart from this, TCS has reported a 5% increase in net profit, around 11,900 crores, with revenue growth is around 8% year on year, but the profit figures has not met the analyst expectation. So if you see this quarter, not many stocks have performed well. Maybe HCL has performed when it comes to technology stocks, but other stocks have not met the analyst expectation. Apart from this, we all have this Iran-Israel tension. News coverage is too much happening related to this. Because of this also, oil price will get affected. Continuous fluctuation is there in oil price. So all these things will affect our market because we import oil. If oil price is more, definitely the rest of the things in India will become expensive. So these are some of the important factors we need to take into consideration. Now the overall sentiment of the market as of now is bearish. Now quickly let's discuss what was our trading plan today, and then we will discuss what kind of trading setup we have for tomorrow's market. Early morning, what we did, mark important support and resistance level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. My expectation was market will be bearish because continuous resistance from 25,000. I thought market will correct here, hold on to this range, recover a bit, and later when it corrects, we would have gotten better entry. But continuously we could see both Nifty and Bank Nifty falling, continuously banking stocks falling. So for us, it was very difficult to plan for a trade. After this move, I said this is a trapping zone. Nifty was staying within this range for quite some time. Later, I said Bank Nifty is near the support. Please avoid any put option trade. Don't get excited looking at this continuous fall. Later, I've shared this video where I have explained trapping zone, from where Nifty we can expect a correction in the market towards the downside, and in Bank Nifty also I had discussed about the levels. Later point of day, when I started seeing Bank Nifty creating selling pressure at this zone, I said, please look at the market. There is selling pressure has started. So based on that, we could see a decent momentum in Bank Nifty. That was one setup. And one more setup I had discussed about market reversing up to this level and correcting. So I have highlighted about this also. This is pressure zone, avoid call option trade. After that, there was continuous movement towards the downside in Bank Nifty. Of course, we could not capture this big movement in market because my intention for today was not to catch the falling knife. Wherever we get a correction later, we got this opportunity and this opportunity. In Nifty also, when Bank Nifty started correcting from here, in Nifty also we would have got some decent move. After this movement is over, anyone can say we should have entered at the upper level, but during the live market it would be difficult. Say yesterday, this moment we had identified in Nifty, even in Bank Nifty yesterday, this moment we identified, because yesterday market gave us good time to plan our trade. But here, continuous fall, continuous FIA selling was definitely a bit challenging for us. This was about today's trade. Now, what kind of trading plan we have for tomorrow? Let's discuss. Today's this Bank Nifty chart 4-hour time frame. I've taken this time frame because there's an important thing which I need to share with you. I've drawn a line here, right? Continuously, this has acted as support. Next thing, what we are able to see, market is formed a left shoulder, it has formed a head, and it is forming a right shoulder. Now, what kind of price action pattern is this? This is bearish head and shoulder pattern, right? The length of this head will be the target towards the downside. So this is something which we need to understand on a 4-hour time frame. Market is ready to form bearish head and shoulder pattern. But let's switch to 15 minutes time frame. In this, what we are able to see here is continuously market has fallen. Bank Nifty has fallen continuously. Now my expectation, I'm ignoring all this recent down move. I'm only going based on today's market move. What did market do? Market continuously, it moved towards the downside. It has come near the previous supporting zone. Now let's say market broke this support level tomorrow. I don't think this breakdown will sustain. Quickly we can expect Bank Nifty to correct, reach somewhere around 51,540. Now when market goes above 51,540, what would happen? People will consider 51,500 as a psychological support level, right? From there, they'll be looking for call option trade. My understanding is from the upper level, later market can correct. So if you are having a bearish view, immediately, like today, if market opens with gap down, rather than entering at this upper level, if you are getting any bearish setup, we can expect continuation. Why can't market continue the trend towards the upside? Because the sellers who entered here, they would have already made profit. So maximum, anyone who thought of entering put option trade, who's taking BTST to hunt their stop loss, market can move towards the upside maximum up to this level, and later it can correct. So with this view, I'm approaching Bank Nifty. Apart from this, let's say market opened with gap down here or here, right? Still, expectation is first it will move towards the upside to attract some buyers at the support and remove weak put option buyers. Later it can correct. In case market opens with a gap up above this level, then the view about the market will change. So we need to patiently wait and see how it is acting near the next resistance level, which is 51,500. So here you can see this is one resistance. If this resistance level is broken, people enter the market. From here, will it correct or is it going to sustain? That only during the live market we will be able to come to a clarity. As of now, this is the view about Bank Nifty. In Nifty, what can we see? This trend line is continuously acting as resistance and this level is acting as support. This area has been the supporting zone. One more interesting observation that we see in Nifty will be market creating a left shoulder, a head, and it is already formed a right shoulder. Now after right shoulder is formed, when this continuous supporting zone, if it breaks, what will happen? Many people will be interested in what? Put option trade because they expect market to move. My understanding is to a certain extent, market can hold on to this level. If Nifty breaks the support also, right, it can draw a trend line like this. And I feel at some point of time, it will form a W pattern and give a breakout, start correcting a bit, remove weak put option buyers, right, attract some call option buyers and later correct. So as long as this movement or quick reversal towards the upside is available in the market, we cannot plan for any reversal setup in Nifty. This is my personal opinion. As of now, what is the view? Nifty or Bank Nifty, at this point of time, it can try to hold, it can move little towards the upside, reduce the confidence of people who are thinking of entering put, later it can correct, right? With that view, I'm approaching the market tomorrow. In case my view changes based on the global sentiment, I will share my view in the free Telegram channel. You can scan the QR code to join the group. Link is also provided in the description box below. If you enjoyed this content, share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.